Today we are making Karela, the most hated vegetable. But trust me, today it's going to taste good. First, I chop the Karela. Don't worry. We're not making it extra bitter today. Then I chopped the tomatoes. Because without tomatoes, Desi cooking just feels incomplete. Yes, Karela goes first today. Because we don't want emotional damage from Karela. Now, I added chopped onions. At this point, it already smells like something good is happening. Now add the tomatoes and mix again. Look at those colors. Suddenly, Karela doesn't look that scary anymore. Now add your spices. Salt, red chili, turmeric, coriander powder. Mix it well and let everything cook together. This is the moment where Karela starts behaving nicely. Cook it until everything is soft and well combined. And that's it, simple and done. And your tasty homemade Karela is ready. See? Not scary at all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more simple recipes, and comment below, do you actually like Karela, or are you just pretending?